In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Sheets Import Range function, a powerful tool that allows you to import a range of cells from one Google Sheet into another, seamlessly syncing your data across different spreadsheets. So, let's dive into this process step by step to ensure you can set it up quickly and efficiently. First, you'll need to have both your source spreadsheet, which contains the data you want to import, and the destination spreadsheet, where you'd like this data to appear, open in your browser. It's important to have both of these at your fingertips as we go through the process. Now, let's enter the import range formula. Choose the cell in your destination spreadsheet where you want your import to begin. Here, you'll type a formula following this structure. Equals sign, IMPORTRANGE, open parenthesis, and then you'll start with the spreadsheet's URL. This is the URL you've copied from the top of your source spreadsheet. It needs to be enclosed in double quotation marks to ensure it's recognized as a string of text. Next, you'll need to include the range string. This specifies precisely which sheet and range of cells you intend to bring over from your source spreadsheet. Format it as sheet name, cell range, ensuring both are enclosed in double quotes. For instance, if you're pulling data from a tab labeled Sheet 1 within the first 10 rows of columns A, B, and C, you'd write Sheet 1, A1, C10. Alternatively, if it's just column B from a tab called Data tab, use Data tab B2B. Once you've double-checked your formula for accuracy, press Enter. At this point, for first-time connections between two specific spreadsheets, you might encounter a #RF error. Don't worry, this is just Google's way of asking for permission to access the data. Hover over the cell and you'll see an Allow Access button appear. Click this, and provided everything's set up correctly, your data should now start populating in the destination spreadsheet. Here are some key reminders to keep in mind as you use import range. First, ensure your spreadsheet URL is both correct and complete. Even a small typo means the formula won't work. Double-check the range string so it accurately reflects the sheet name and cell range in the source spreadsheet. Also, verify that the source spreadsheet has been shared properly. It should be accessible to the user account executing the import range. So, either shared with your account or set to anyone with the link can view. And a handy feature, any changes you make to the data within the specified range in the source spreadsheet will automatically reflect in the destination spreadsheet. With these steps and tips, you should now be able to successfully consolidate and manage your data across Google Sheets efficiently. Enjoy the seamless data integration. Import Range provides